In this video, I will show you how to add a reminder in Google Calendar to stay organized and on time. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, head across to your Google Calendar. So if you come up to the address bar and type calendar.google.com, and then what you want to do is sign in with your Google account. Once you've done that, what you need to do is select the date and time that you want to set a reminder for. So for example, if we take Wednesday, the 29th of April, and then I'm going to select to set a reminder for 2 p.m. So what I'm going to do is just click here. What that's going to do is open up a window like this. To set a reminder, you need to come up to the top. You can see we got event, task, and appointment schedule. And what you're going to want to do is select the task option, which is basically the same as a reminder. From here, you can add a title for your reminder. So I'm just going to use an example, and I'm just going to type collect groceries. Then what you can do is add a description. So because it's groceries, I'm just going to put something like milk and bread. Of course, this is just an example. You would just put what is relevant for your reminder. And then what you can do is click on here and you can change date and time, things like that. You can choose to set it all day, and you can choose if you want to repeat this reminder daily, weekly, or whichever option you want. In this example, I just want it to be a one-off reminder. So I'm going to click does not repeat. And then what I'm going to do is come and click save at the bottom. Just like that, as you can see, it says task created, and we now have successfully set a reminder in Google Calendar. So that is how to add reminder in Google Calendar. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.